Testosterone boosters have been around for years in some form or another. Many bodybuilders and athletes use them to gain muscle faster and to increase strength for their game or weight training. Though the use of testosterone boosters is often controversial in the sports and bodybuilding arenas, many professionals and serious weight trainers use some sort of product or supplement to boost their testosterone levels. What is a testosterone booster? A testosterone booster is a substance in the form of pills, liquid, shots, or creams that boosts a male's testosterone level. Testosterone is an anabolic hormone produced naturally by men in the testes by Leydig cells. These cells secrete very high volumes of testosterone during puberty, which gives boys and young men leaner muscle mass. It also helps with bone formation and sexual organ development. Most men produce peak levels of testosterone during their early 20s. A testosterone booster helps increase a man's testosterone level, giving him more stamina and lean rock-hard muscles. There are some companies that offer testosterone boosters in the form of illegal steroids, but these are unsafe and unhealthy. They can even be deadly. So be sure what you are taking is legal and safe for you. Natural testosterone boosters. There are natural testosterone boosters that do not contain steroids, but can still help you build muscles fast and give increased endurance during sports or workouts. These are available in the form of supplement capsules and may contain ingredients such as Mucuna pruriens, Tribulus terrestris, Tongkat ali, ZMA, Rhodiola rosea, Imperial gold maca trademark, and other herbal ingredients to help enhance stamina. Even with natural testosterone boosters, you should check with your doctor to be sure it's safe for you. It could be a health risk if you already have certain health problems. It's also a good idea to be monitored by a doctor while taking a testosterone booster to be sure the supplement doesn't affect your body in a negative way. Not a substitute for workouts. Testosterone boosters are not meant to substitute for real workouts and proper weight training. Don't neglect the gym or your regular activities just because you're taking a supplement. These can help boost your energy and muscle building efforts, but aren't meant to replace your regular workouts. They can help you increase strength to work out more fervently. Your endurance for workouts will be long-lasting so you can build those lean rock-hard muscles you've always wanted. With testosterone boosters, many men notice a difference in muscle size, strength, libido, and even thinking ability. Do research online to find a trustworthy supplier of testosterone boosters. You can easily read about the different types of muscle-building supplements available and their ingredients to make the right choice. Once you order a testosterone booster, be sure to follow the directions carefully and never take more than the recommended dosage. Also, schedule weight training sessions at a time when you have the most strength and energy to enjoy maximum benefits. Please like, subscribe and share the video and help us get to our first 1,000 subscribers. We make videos like this every day to help your health and natural fitness, and smash the bell icon so you can be notified of our next video.